Hello everyone, today we shall be looking at the benefits of staying hydrated. Is staying hydrated important to our health at all? Is water significant to our health? Ǹjẹ́ omi ní ipa kan pàtó tí ó ṣe pàtàkì tó ń kó ní àgọ́ ara wa? Mo nígbàgbọ́ pé a ti máa gbọ́ tàbí kí a ti máa kà nípa iṣẹ́ pàtàkì tí omi ṣe ní àgọ́ ara wa. Síbẹ̀ náà ohun tó ti fi ń dára jù ní kí a máa rán ara wa létí nípa iṣẹ́ pàtàkì tí ó ń kó ní àgọ́ ara wa lóòrèkóòrè. So, water is very important to our health. It plays a key role in many of our body's functions. Every cell, tissue and organ needs water to function properly. Looking at the benefits one after the other, digestion of food. The food we eat, water helps in digesting it. Water forms saliva. The enzyme in the saliva, which is known as salivary amylase or ptyalin, helps in the breaking down of foods, most especially carbohydrates, and makes them more accessible to the body. Drinking enough water can help with appetite control and metabolism. This is the process by which the body converts food into energy and the raw materials needed for growth, maintenance, and repair. Meanwhile, a person's metabolic rate can influence their weight, energy level, and overall health. Dehydration actually slows metabolism. Water helps to boost energy and brain function. Do you know that mild dehydration can cause fatigue, headache, and difficulty concentrating? It as well keeps joints and cartilage lubricated and soft, which implies that hydration can reduce joint pain and maintain normal movement. Ikú máa ń yọ ìyàpéjú lẹ́nu ní gbogbo ìgbà. Ǹjẹ́ ìyàpéjú a máa mú mi dáadáa bí? Tọ́n bá kí mú mi dáadáa, kán bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní mú mi láti sìn lọ. Àwọn náà máa rí pé ìyàtọ̀ máa dé bá ikú wọn. Water intake is associated with improved skin barrier. With dehydration, the skin looks dry, wrinkled, and it becomes more vulnerable to disorders. It also lessens burden on some organs such as the kidney and the liver by flushing out waste products. It balances electrolytes, maintains a healthy blood level, and it maintains body temperature. It helps to prevent or treat constipation. When a person passes less than 3 bowel movements in a week, or has difficult bowel movements, the person is likely constipated. And the most important way to get rid of this is to stay hydrated, to drink enough water. Aside from the fact that increasing fiber intake to increase the bulk and consistency of bowel movements, getting regular exercise and using laxative help to relieve constipation. Drinking more fluid is noteworthy in the treatment of constipation. Drinking enough water is the most important way to treat or prevent kidney stone. Dehydration can cause your urine to become concentrated, and which can lead to mineral buildup, and eventually you come down with kidney stone. Conclusively, drinking water does more than just quench your thirst, so it should be your go-to beverage. Ensure you choose it over sugary drinks, carbonated soft drinks, and the likes, which can be high in simple sugar and calories. In our next video, we'll be discussing the recommended fluid intake alongside the tips to stay hydrated. Thanks for watching.